Question 17, we're asking to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we have to add all the sides together. But we have some missing values here, okay? We know that this is 59, 5.9. So this also has to be 5.9, okay? Why do I do that? Well, because the whole thing here is 27.4. Okay, and we know that this point has to be 5.9 because it's coming from that same external point of Q. So we can do 27.4 minus 5.9. This gets this part right here, which is going to be in blue, to be 21.5. The reason why we do that is so we can know that this part is 21.5. Okay, then this part is, I'm going to make that in green, 12.2. So this is also 12.2. Okay, there we go. So the parts here is we have 21.5 plus 21.5. Then we have that plus 5.9 plus 5.9. Then we also have the 12.2 plus 12.2. Okay, so there you go. 12.5 plus 21.5 plus 21.5 plus 5.9 plus 5.9 plus 12.2 plus 12.2. That gets you the perimeter, okay, is equal to 79.2. So there you go.